Alright, in this video we're going to be talking about exterior angles, how they're formed, and what the exterior angle theorem is. So as you can see on the screen, the exterior angle theorem says that an exterior angle equals the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So we are only talking about triangles, so keep in mind these are exterior angles of triangles. So non-adjacent, adjacent means touching or next to. So for an exterior angle, you are adding up the two angles of the triangle that are not next to it, that are not touching it. So let's take a look at two examples of triangles. This one is the first one. I don't have it labeled yet, so I'll do that now. We'll call that A, call that B, call it C. We'll just call these angles 1, 2, and 3. So this doesn't have any exterior angle. So first we're going to talk about how an exterior angle is formed. It's formed when you take one side of the triangle and extend it further. So let's see if this can work out. Alright, that's pretty good. Call that D. So now, since I extended that further, it created this angle. We'll call it angle 4. Angle 4 is an exterior angle because that line is exactly the same line as AB, we just extended it further. So now what do we know about the exterior angle theorem? We know that angle 4, which is an exterior angle, equals the sum of the two non-adjacent angles. So the two angles that are not touching it. So which angle is touching angle 4? Angle 2 is. So angle 4 equals the sum of angle 1 and angle 3. That easy. So if they give you angle 1 and angle 3, you know angle 4 just by adding them up. Or if they give you the sum of angle 1 and angle 3, then you also already know 4 without doing anything. So let's draw another one. If I extend line AC to the left, I create angle 5. Angle 5 equals angle 2 plus angle 3, the two non-touching side angles. But let's look at the bottom. We're going to look at angle C right now. I'm going to draw another line. I'm just going to draw a line like that. Call that F. Is that an exterior angle? So I want to know, here's angle 6. Is angle 6 an exterior angle? The answer is no. Exterior 6 is angle 6 is an angle, it's just not an exterior angle. Because this line, CF, this line segment that I drew, is not an extension of any of the lines of the triangle. But this does create something interesting because line BD is parallel to line CF. So now that I have that tells me something interesting about angle 6. If BD is parallel to CF, then BC is a transversal, and 6 and 2 are alternate interior angles. So angle 2 is congruent to angle 6. So you need to be able to spot things like that. They'll tell you if these two lines are parallel, and they're not telling you it for nothing. So think about what that means in terms of angles and how you can use that. So that's the exterior angles, when they're formed, how to use them, and when they're not exterior angles. So you got to be careful about that.